I made some changes with this fuel cell. Took off the the big jar and swapped it out for a smaller jar, and I cut the plates that were in it in half. Instead of having two plates, now I have four plates. And the first plate is positive, and the second plate's negative. Third plate's positive, and fourth plate is negative. So two of those plates runs to this wire, and the other two run to this one. And then these are all going to the 12-volt power supply. There's four 12-volt power supplies here. This is like 3 amps, 2, 1, 1. And then this thing it will warm up, which you don't want to do, especially in a vehicle or something like that, because then the water it'll create steam, and that's not what you're going for. You're separating hydrogen and oxygen molecule in water. And then I have all those running to this guy, and I'll let it run, and then cut off here, cool off, and then it can run again, whatever. Now I don't have to keep an eye on it. I don't have to worry about my compressor popping. Turn this bad boy on. The current connects through the water, and then that agitates the hydrogen and oxygen molecule, makes it separate, and that's what's creating this gas. And this jar, this much water, and a teaspoon of baking soda is probably enough to fill up like 2 massive sized barrels with the gas. And I got these two. These have been airing up this balloons, and then that I have gone through these bubblers right here, which is also like the water in here is like a backflash arrestor in case because the flame, even though it's a skinny hypodermic needle, whenever the pressure gets low, the flame can go down the skinny needle and go into here and bust. And if there's no water there, it can go through this. And if you don't have something like this in the setup to stop it, it's gonna go to your fuel cell, and in this case made of glass, and it pops. So, and you put a lot of time and money into it or whatever, you don't want to ruin it or hurt yourself. And then right here I have a little rolled up piece of toilet paper or paper towel that if you don't have, this is the only thing, this is one of the only ways of putting the flame out without turning the gas down. Because if you turn the gas down, then the flame is gonna backflash, and it's gonna go through this, and it's gonna try to pop this. So you want to try to avoid turning the flame down. Just turn it off. You don't ever want to really do that. You really want to put it out with this. And this is a wet paper towel. And if the pressure does get too low and the flame does start to go down the needle, you'll see it start turning bright red. But if this is in play right here, it won't let it do that either. So that's like another safety device or whatever. So that's from water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 12 volts electrolysis. And then I've seen it where they do the same setup, but then right here they'll have rubbing alcohol, and then the alcohol and the hydrogen. I think it burns a different way or better way or something, I don't know. But yeah, to make this flame, I had to build up pressure. That's why I had these balloons, and I turned the system off and on quite a few times to get them to fill up. And try to keep, not let this get too warm.